I think we are ready to drop this car onto this engine assembly. So let's get a couple guys over here and have them lower it onto the car while I do some adjusting.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Wait, I need y'all to do one thing before I let y'all continue on with this video. Okay, I need y'all to like this video if you haven't already. I need you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Once you've done that, if you like not watching ads, if you want to use custom emojis for the channel, if you want to be called out in the live chats, go ahead and join the FMFAM down below. And if your free gifted membership is running out, I suggest, if you like the perks, if you enjoy this, if you enjoy the videos without ads, if you enjoy the early release videos, make sure to renew your FMFAM membership. All right, with that being said, guys, we gonna get on with the video.
You fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
don't know. 3 of the 4 bolts don't want to line up. What sense does that fucking make?
Felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Anyway? Yeah, but this is on the trans assembly, so.
I haven't seen that recall in a while. We were using the swivel one.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
Boy, ain't no way.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
It's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home, it sucks. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck. Under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up.
Y'all saw that. I don't know what happened with that trans mount on the other side. One bolt on the back side wouldn't want to go in. It would start and then it would just stop. What the hell? But it looked straight, so I was like, to one of the guys, can you double check this? Am I tripping? Oh, and then we made the decision to just bump it with the impact real quick, and I bumped it and it went. So it had a small rough spot, and then just bumped it and it just went in. So yeah, no strip bolts around here, but anyways, I'm gonna get the pan, upper pan resealed, and we'll see where we're at in the video. All right, stay tuned.
Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
From that deuce down, that countdown, that 210, yeah, that's A-Town. A lot of black and browns on joke clowns, and we stay strapped on every side of town. Sit big mo as we blaze up. 92 to 2010 plus. I never will, I never gave a fuck. I let another hater hang from my nuts. I'm a lone star, underground star. Jamming screws, I'm sipping bars. Trill nigga in them candy cars. It's a way of life, so never meet the bar. And we big pimpin', spending cheese. R.I.P. to Pimp C. Screw Big Mo and Big Ho. Got me sipping surface if I got a cough. Some niggas play hard, but we know they soft. And they got a bitch, we done knocked off. With a new dumb round with the top off. And she cocked and lock, ready to pop off. Stay fly as fuck, ready for takeoff. Touchdown, this shit is ready for football. Hold up. Listen, I'm gonna slow it down for you. Hey, in my hood, the young blaze of foes. Inspired by LA and Houston, SA's a hustler's home. Where it ain't shit to do unless your money is long. That's probably why these out-of-staters tell me that they miss home. Don't get it wrong, it's always shit to be done. Why the fuck these out-of-towners thinking we ain't got guns? Hey, I try to tell them when you're up in the slums. Listen, we on the streets every night like bums. When I lived on Dory, part of the sticks, but though my daddy black ciphers right shoulder was 6. So, a nigga caught in a mix, but no gang banging nigga loaded the clips with the description. When I was on a mission, the shipping by selling prescription and bullshit weed, but not for my wealth. I was trying to hustle the grind like my middle name's Death. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Said you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this video. This is kind of fun. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I do one of these maybe once or twice a year. It's not often that it gets sold, and it's not often that they leak. Okay, so I got lucky with this one. Customer bought the reseal and everything, so I just need to throw the lower pan on. But I'm gonna wrap it up right here. No sense in me taking y'all further along. Y'all see me do subframes. Oil pans are pretty redundant, or pretty self-explanatory. I don't know. They're not that hard is what I'm saying. Okay, so if y'all could please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoyed this one, because this one was a little bit different. And check out these videos right here. Subscribe right there. Deuce.